Join me for today's unboxing of the largest Hinze pen model to date. Let's take a look at the Hinze B46 König Port of Portland Pen Chalet Edition fountain pen. König means the king in German, which seems very appropriate since this is a really large pen compared to other pens I've seen come from Hinze. The Pen Chalet Edition is only available here at Pen Chalet, but we combined the really deep blue and colorful resin of the cap and end cap with a shimmery Tiffany barrel that you can see the piston working through. And we added that window. It has a spring metal clip, and the Hinze logo is featured both on the clip and on the finial. The section matches the darker blue and colorful resin of the cap and end cap, and you have titanium nib and titanium trim. And that's also a number 8 size titanium nib, so it's a bigger nib to suit this larger pen model. Here's a look at that piston fill system, and then here's a look at that oversized pen uncapped in your hand. And this is the coolest part. It's got this really deep-seated post, so if you like your pens posted, you can post this pen and it still is balanced and manageable in your hand to write with. I hope you like this quick look at the Hinze B46 König Port of Portland Pen Chalet Edition fountain pen. Join us for more. You can follow us here or find us on your favorite social media platform. And of course, you can shop your B46 König Pen Chalet Edition Port of Portland fountain pens at penchalet.com. Thanks for joining us.